Hello friends, how are you? Okay, this is limit chapters class 12 math limits part 1 video number 7. Clear? As you know about the limits in class 11, so many different types limits I have done with the help of formula x power n minus a power n upon x power n minus a power n and so many factorization methods, Nyssen methods, x power infinity, so many form like this one here. X power m minus a power m upon x power n minus a power n, like this. X tends to infinity, factorization methods, decimation methods, so many forms already have done. And one rule was there, L hospital hospital's rule. Clear? This is very important. This rule is very most important for class 12. Means class 12 100% question with the help of this rules we will do. Then now going to tell here, by using L hospital's rule. Clear? It means suppose any function means if limit x tends to a is given, when we put the value of x is equal to a in given function, answer will be defined form, not undefined, defined form. If answer will come in determinate form, clear? In determinate form, then we can use the L hospital rule. Understood? So what do you mean by indeterminate form? Indeterminate form is like 0 by 0 form, infinity by infinity form. Clear? And here 0 into infinity form, infinity minus infinity form, and here 0 power 0 form, infinity power infinity form. Clear? And 1 power infinity form. Here infinity power 0 form. Now this is like a indeterminate form. So many other form also here. 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, 0 into infinity, infinity minus infinity, 0 power 0, infinity power infinity, 1 by infinity and infinity power 0. This is like a indeterminate form. Now give me one example here. Example number 1, limit x tends to 1 and 1 minus x here. 10 pi x by 2. Clear? Now going to check. Suppose when we put the direct value x is equal to 1, 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 0. Clear? And 10 pi x means 1. Pi by 2 is equal to what? Pi by 2 means 90 degree. 10 90 is equal to what? Infinite. Means 0 into infinite form. Correct? 0 into infinite form. Now going to apply L hospital rule. L hospital rule means all the question should be in the form of fraction. After that we can apply, because L hospital means like this one here. If limit x tends to a, suppose fx and gx form question should be. Fx and gx means fraction form. By applying L hospital rule, L hospital rule means limit x tends to a, and here f dash x upon g dash x. It means what? Differentiation of numerator upon differentiation of denominator separate. Don't use quotient form. Separately means here limit x tends to a, d by dx of fx and whole upon d by dx of here gx. D by dx of x means f dash x, g by dx of gx means g dash x. It means whatever question is there, first of all we have to check this is a form of indeterminate or not indeterminate. After that, if any question is function in the form of indeterminate form, after that we can change in the fraction. Fraction means like u by b, fx by gx. After that we can apply the L hospital rule. L hospital means separately numerator denominator we have to find differentiation till the getting answer. Till getting means getting the correct value and fixed value. Now here you check here 0 into infinite form. Then going to change u by v form means fx by gx form. So 1 minus x upon now here cot e pi x by 2. Now apply a hospital rule. Applying L Hospital's rule. Clear? You have to write complete form, full statement, don't write half. Apply L Hospital rule. X tends to 1. Differentiation of numerator whole upon differentiation of denominator. Clear? Is equal to what? Limit x tends to 1. 1 means 0. X means minus 1. Cot means minus cosec square pi x by 2 into differentiation of pi x by 2 is what? Pi by 2. Now minus minus cancel here, is equal to 1 upon, you put the value x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 means pi by 2. Pi by 2 means 90 degree. What is the value of cosec 90 degree? Cosec 90 means 1. So 1 is equal means only 1. It means only here pi by 2 is equal to what? 2 upon pi. Now this is a value. This is a defined value. That's why 2 by pi is the answer of this limit, this value. Understood? Now going to give second example. Example second. Now first of all going to check this is in the form of indeterminate or not. X is equal to 0. Cos 0 means 1. 1 minus 1 0. Here also 0 means 1. Cos 0 means 1. 1 minus 1 0 means 0 by 0 form. Clear? 0 by 0 form. This already u by v form means fx by gx form, fraction form. Then apply L Hospital's rule. Clear? Limit x tends to 0 here, and differentiation means d by dx of 1 minus cos mx upon d by dx of 1 minus cos of nx. Correct? Limit x tends to 0. 1 means 0. Cos means minus sign. Then plus sin mx into m. Whole upon 1 plus sin nx into here n. Understood? After that, limit x tends to 0 and sin mx, m by n constant, m by n constant upon here sin nx. Correct? Now you see here sin mx, x means 0, 0 by, again 0 by 0 form, again 0 by 0 form means again apply L Hospital rule means so many times we can apply Hospital rule still getting the answer. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. So means don't only apply 10 times, 20 times. Means I think in any question maximum 4 or 5 times, and after that answer will come. If not will come, then you can use one more time. A second time, m by n, limit x tends to 0. Sin means what? Cos mx into m. Here sin means what? Cos nx into n. Clear? M by n constant number, it means m square by n square. Now x tends to 0 and cos mx upon here cos nx. M square by n square into, now you can put the value, check. Cos x is 0, cos 0 means 1. Here cos 0 means 1, 1 by 1 means only 1. This is a defined form, m square by n square. Now this is the answer. Understood? Example 3. This example is very most important. Very most means maximum times come in the question paper. That's why you see very carefully this question. First of all, going to put the value 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means what? Infinite. Infinite. Clear? Cot 0, tan 0, 0, cot 0, infinite. Infinite minus infinite form. Now this is infinite minus infinite form. Indeterminate form. Now, first of all, going to change in fraction form. Fraction means 1 by x square minus 1 by 10 square form. Clear? Fraction means that not only separate u by v, fx by gx means like this one, fx upon here, gx form, whole upon. Now, limit x tends to 0 here. Going to take LCM x square and 10 square x square into 10 square x means what? Here 10 square x minus x square. Clear? Now you can put the value 0, 10, 0, 0, 0 minus 0, and here also 0, 0 by 0 form. Then 0 by 0 form. Then apply L hospital rule is equal to limit x tends to 0. Now writing direct differentiation of numerator 10 square x means what? 2 10x and 10 means what? 6 square x minus here 2x whole upon, and here x square divide and multiply also. This is value of 1. If in denominators any sin x, sin square x, 10x, any of cos and multiplication form, we can change in this form. We can change means here sin theta by theta, limit theta tends to 0 is equal to 1, or limit theta tends to 0, theta by sin theta is equal to 1. Clear? We can reduce. Then for calculation very simple we can do. Here it was 10 square x multiply x square divide x square, then 10 theta by theta is equal to 1 here, x square means x power 4. And differentiation of x power 4 is equal to what? Here 4x cube. Now going to reduce here, 2 common from numerator, cancel here, then 10x 6 square x minus x here upon here 2x cube. Understood? Is equal to x tends to 0. Now this 6 square x going to change 10x. 6 square means 1 plus 10 square x minus x whole upon 2x cube. Limit x tends to 0. Multiply here 10x plus what? 10 cube x minus x whole upon here 2x cube. Now again going to put the value of x is equal to 0, 10, 0, 0, 10, 0, 0, 0, 0 upon 0 form. This is also 0 by 0 form. Then again apply L Hospital's rule. Clear? Then here limit x tends to 0. 10 means what? 6 square x plus 10 qx means what? 3 10 square x. Again differentiation of 10x means 6 square x minus 1 whole upon here 6x square. Understood? Now 6 square x minus 1 is equal to what? 10 square x. 6 square x minus 1 is equal to what? 10 square x. Then limit x tends to 0 and 10 square x plus 3 10 square x 6 square x whole upon what? 6x square. Now limit x tends to 0. From numerator 10 square x is common, 1 plus 3 and 6 square x upon what? 6x square. Then limit x tends to 0 here, 10 square x upon x square into limit x tends to 0, 1 plus 3, 6 square x upon here 6. This value is only 1. 1 into, now put the value here, 1 plus 3, sec 0 means 1. 1 upon here 6 is equal to 4 by 6 is equal to 2 by 3. Now this is the value of limit x tends to 0, 1 by x square minus 30 square x. In this way we can solve it. Now example number 4, this is, you see here sin x by x whole upon 1 by x square. Whole by 1 by x square means both are variable number, base and power. If base and power both are variable number, in this type question we can suppose total function is equal to y. Total function is equal to y. Clear? Then let y is equal to limit x tends to 0 and here sin x upon x 1 by x square. Now you can check here sin 0 0 0 by 0 0 by 0 form and here 1 by 0 infinity. Then when base and power both are variable numbers in this question, this type question, we can take log both the side. Clear? We have to break with the help of log. Taking log both the side means log y is equal to limit x tends to 0 log m power n 1 by x square log of sin x upon x. Clear? Now here limit x tends to 0 and log m by n is equal to what? Log m minus and log x whole upon here x square. Clear? Now you can check here sin 0 0 log 0 here log 0 means infinity by 0 also here. Then apply L'Hospital rule. Limit x tends to 0. Differentiation of log of sin x means what? 1 by sin means cos. Then cos x upon here sin x. Minus log means 1 by x here and 2x. Understood? After that, going to reduce, going to solve. Taking LCM, x cos x minus sin x whole upon x into sin x into 2x means 2x square of sin x. And this is the value of log of y, and this is the value of log y, this is value of log y. And log of y is equal to, now you say sin x here, just before I have told if in denominator sin x, cos x and tan x multiply this one, we can make a formula. Then here divide by x, multiply by x. This value is only 1. 2x square into x is equal to what? X cube means here formula limit x tends to 0 and sin x by x is equal to 1. Then limit x tends to 0 here. X cos x minus sin x whole upon what? 2x square into x means and 2x cube. Now you can check 0 sin 0 0 by 0 form, 0 by 0 form also here. And limit x tends to 0. Differentiation of numerator UV x cos means minus sin. Clear? And plus cos x, x means 1. Again here sin x means cos x whole upon here 6x square. Cancel here. The limit x tends to 0 minus x sin x upon 6 into x square. This x cancel by this x, and limit x tends to 0 minus sin x upon 6x. This value is only 1. At last, log y is equal to minus 1 by 6. Here, this already here, y is equal to e power minus 1 by 6. Now this is answer. Clear? In this way, once more going to tell. If base and power both are variable numbers, we can use log both the side. With the help of log, we can break. After that, we can apply L'Hospital rules. At last, we will solve the answer. Now, going to give example, some question example in homework. Limit x tends to 0, cos ax minus cos bx upon x square. Answer is b square minus x square upon 2. Limit x tends to 0, x cos x minus sin x upon x square sin x. Answer is minus 1 by 3. Limit x tends to 0, log 1 minus x squared pi x by 2 tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus sin x power cot x. Answer is 0. Here, in this question, we can take log both the side. First of all, we suppose y is equal to total function. After that, taking log both the side. Last one, limit x tends to 0, sin x minus log e power x cos x whole upon x into sin x. Answer is 1 by 2. In this way, so many questions we have solved because limit. This is very important. Chapters also in class 11, previous class. We have done so many questions, different type questions. But in this class, class 12, either mentions or not mentions about the rules. But we have to use only L-Hospital. With the higher hospital rules, all the question we can do in a very easy form. Okay, thank you very much.